फ्रेंड्स, जैसा मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि हम लोग जो भी क्लास में डिस्कस किया उसका वीडियो शेयर करेंगे आपके साथ, तो वही मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। फंडामेंटल के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है, तो मैंने आपको कहा था वन थिंग इज़ रीडिंग, राइट। यू कैन रीड दलाल स्ट्रीट, यू कैन रीड बिजनेस टुडे, you can read smart investment and many more magazines and all that things, right? So one habit you have to cultivate is of that reading. Another thing which we have discussed is, apart from reading, you have to do one thing, and that is you must have some emotional control, because once you have bought the share with all due diligence and with all hard work, then you don't need to be just sell it because it's not moving fast, right? So another thing is emotional control and patience, right? Third thing, I have told you that you will get information not only from papers but by observation also. You can go through the examples which have been discussed in the classroom of Maruti, right, DMart, Maggie and all that. Okay, then what we have discussed is, we had discussed the approaches, that what is the approach. One approach I had discussed with you is top down approach. In top down approach, what we do, in top down approach we look for the country, we look for the good economy, we look for the good sector, and then we go for the company, right? In this manner we generally use this is what is known as top down approach, right? Then another approach is known as what, down to top approach. In this we use our own parameters. If company fit in this parameter, then we check the sector or economy or country, right? This is known as what, down to top approach. One another thing, what is good, which is good, down to top or top to down. So as per my recommendation, down to top, right, we generally go for this one, right? So we generally use this one, so we do not miss the right companies. Okay, then what we had discussed is one another sub approach, and that is growth investing. What is growth investing? If you think that that particular sector is going to be grow fast, then regarding value we are less concerned. We don't look for the value, but we look for the growth, and we will invest. That is what is growth approach. Another approach is known as what, that is value investing. In this approach we go for hidden gems. We go for those shares having value, but right now nobody is looking at the same. It may take time, but sooner or later this will grow, right? Now the question once again is that which approach is good. So we use both, value first and then growth. When we get this kind of company, what we do what Motilal Oswal says, buy right and sit tight, right? Then you will enjoy the journey of the real bull. Friends, this is the small revisionary notes from my side to you people. You must go through this video, but very small video, and when you come to the class, as we had discussed, that you must come with the 10 products which you are using in your home, right, of the listed companies. So please take care of it and do come with this only. Okay, so we will meet in the class. Thank you for watching this.